All right, y'all. You got your 24, 25 F150s, the brand new ones with fancy headlights. You got this DRL that you only see on certain trucks. And you got our plug and play auto flasher. Here we're going to tell you a little bit how to install it. It goes real fast on these. We're going to take the inner fender liner down right here, and we're going to fold it back a little bit, which is going to access the headlight plug right there on both sides. That's a 7mm bolt and a little plastic retainer. And you can fold that back and get it out of the way and fold it right back. It's just a cloth kind of liner. It doesn't damage it. Be careful. Don't be an animal. And you plug and play right back there. That's where the long one's going to go. You're running across the top here. Of course, we're going to tidy all this up. We come down in here. Now, I just have this temporary right now for testing. But right under here on the driver's side, same deal. Fold that back. Headlight plug is right there. And then we're just going to need this module here may come with blunt cut and connections or a plug, and that we're going to need to run to a switch. So we'll need some switched power. Where do you get switched power? Most likely right over there on the battery, but we don't mess with the switched power because everybody's got different kinds of switches they want to do. But that's it, man. 7mm socket and almost no time at all. Now what you just saw was that the vehicle does time out on these. How to avoid that? And what I mean by that is right now the truck is totally off. It's basically going to sleep. If you wanted to avoid that, you could rotate your parking lights to parking lights on. That'll give you quite a bit longer because it wakes the headlights back up. And or if the ignition is on. If the ignition is on, it does not time out. However, you could rotate to the parking position to get a little bit longer because the truck will leave the parking lights on for quite a while before it automatically turns them off, and that will keep your front DRL strobe running. Now, this is plug and play. Of course, as you know, you're holding the kit. This is the instructions for it, but this is a plug and play module on this kit. So, yeah, it's that easy to install and that fast. And 29 patterns available. No wires need to be cut or anything. So if you like this and you got this brand new fancy F-150, we are ready to go with the product that does this.